Hi everyone. Today topic is production demand forecasting. See, most of the manufacturing units they treated demand forecasting is one of the most important foundation for accurate, timely and effective production system. If we see the meaning of any demand forecasting, the demand forecasting is any technique for estimation of probable demand for any product or service in the future. It is based on the analysis of past data for that product or services in the present market condition. Demand forecasting should be done on the scientific basis and facts and events related to forecasting should be considered. To maintain competitive production in the market, manufacturers should adopt to fact-changing world as well as in a continuous delivering innovative product and services to customers. Therefore, they need demand forecasting system. The demand forecasting is a system to forecast raw materials, requirement for production and predict the future customer buying habits to optimize inventory levels while meeting customer expectations. Forecast based on time series is one of the most widely used. It is a data passed to make future predictions. The fact is that this method does not consider exogenous variables in the production process with the data demand that occurred in the past periods. The main important factor of any demand forecasting is based on previous data, the companies can predict the future demand of their product or services. There is any input types for demand forecasting. The first input type is an historical sales trends for 2 to 5 years. And next one is any suppliers forecasting the trends to flexible adjust to any situation or not. And third one, seasonal changes. There are in some seasons that sales are higher or low than another periods in the year. Hence, manufacturers need this information to develop suitable production plan. And fourth one is any constraints or by business rules. Re-examine and redetermine the constraints that impede the manufacturing process, such as warehouse space limitation, to consider what level of production is suits best. If we see the key factors to accurate demand forecasting and it improving the collaborating the forecast are historical demand includes a trend, similar product or any seasonality. Second one, micro and macro trend. And third one, promotion and advertisement factor, new product introduction and the competitive activities in the market. And last one, unique insights and judgment of demand and supply chain planning participations. By enhancing collaboration between departments, employers well produced with an relevant data listed above, and through discussed and interrelated, manufacturers can create forecasting for each and every product line and product mix of their product or services. This is all about the demand forecasting. Thank you.